Hi guys, good morning. Maliwalas ang panahon ngayon.
Maliwalas.
Is this day 3 ng self-training natin? Let's go! Alright. Stretching muna tayo. 5 to 10 minutes. Then nag-jogging din ako. 5 rounds ulit. 5 ikot. So guys, ang program ko nga pala ngayon is to improve dribbling skills. Konting bangis tayo sa pagdidribble. So, pumitik din ako ng push up and curl ups, 20 reps, 3 set. So, ngayon i-improve lang natin. So first guys, continuous cross, 30 seconds. Continuous behind, 30 seconds din. One dribble between alternate. Continuous behind, 30 seconds. Between cross, magkabilaan, left tsaka right. Between behind, kabilaan din sa left and right, 30 seconds. The next, cross between alternate, 30 seconds. So, between cross, between behind, kabilaan. So ang finishing natin guys is itong last finishing natin is low dribble sa left and sa right, then low dribble up, left and right. High dribble left and right, and high dribble up, kabilaan din. Then lastly guys, nag-drills ako, 2 reps na lang. So yun lang guys, thank you for watching. God bless to all.